Hey everybody, so I'm Girly here for our last unboxing of the 5 Surprise Advent Calendar. This should be right before Christmas. So, for those of you who celebrate Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah. I don't remember when that was, and I apologize for that so much. But happy holiday that you celebrate, and if you don't celebrate any, perfectly fine too. Have a happy new year though. Anyway, I'll probably say that again at the end. We were on number 18, so we're now at 19. These are getting harder to open because like some of them are more in the middle. Oh, open. Don't make me stick my finger in there. If you haven't guessed by now, I'm opening these one after another, but I am not putting them up right away. Oh, you skinny. Oh, what is this? Is this lipstick? Are you kidding me? Is this a little tube of lipstick? Hold on. If you hear a strange sound, it's my cat making noise. It is! Is this a Maybelline? This has got to be a Maybelline because I recognize that you can look through the top and see the tube there. And then very, very small, if I faced it right, there's the color. I wonder if it's cherries in the snow. That is one of my favorite colors. Yep, there's the name. Yay. All right, what number were we at? 20. Because we just opened 19. What am I doing with my life that I can't remember numbers? You know what? It's funny. I watched someone else unbox advent calendars, and I'm like, how can you not remember the numbers you were just doing? But if you pause enough, you will forget what you were doing. Is this golden mustard? This is golden mustard. That's the back. Yep, this is golden yellow mustard. We always have a bottle of this in the house, and it lasts forever because, you know, we get the big one. It's also the upside down one so that you don't mess. I'm going to put it there upside down. All right. Don't knock it over. 21. There's 22. 23, 24. Where's 20? That's 20. I'm not crazy. We're looking for 21. Ah! I didn't find it. It was just the only one that wasn't open yet. Oop! Alright, we got something quite large. What are you? Some sort of... It's got packaging around it, and it's got a little tub in there. What are you? Was I even on the camera when I was showing that? Holy something. Holy... Oh, okay. It's a dip. I don't know what kind. Post-production me is going to be like, duh. It's classic. It is a classic. But it's definitely a dip. And look at the cute container. Now, it's wiggly, so I'm going to assume it would come out. But like this, I think is glued. Yes, it's glued to it. And I don't want to take that apart because that's cute. Some people do. But that's adorable. I don't know the brand, but I can look it up. Some of these might actually be like regional things, so I might not be able to find it. Now, 22 is down here. All right. What do we got? Ooh, it's a bottle or a jar of something. What are you? Are you ice cream? I don't know you. That's my purse. I don't know you. I really don't know this. It is really small. Any more zoom? Oh, a little bit more zoom. A Dawson Company? What does that word say? A little closer. Collagen? Does it say collagen creamer? What is a collagen creamer? And is this it says vanilla. Is this makeup or is this like food? I I don't know this brand. I am confusion. Well, there we have it for that one. I have not a clue. I like having it like having it. All right, that was 22. 23, we got this one and the last one to go. Whoop. Which we got in here. We got ourselves a container jug. Could this be some sort of detergent? You guys can see that. And I'll turn it. This definitely feels like detergent. It's OxyClean. I was not wrong. Oh, look at that little cap. That is so precious. If you haven't figured out by now, I love miniature versions of things. I am the Queen of Hearts. What's that reference? My goodness, it's so cute. We are at our very last day. Our very last day. This has been such a ride. All right, let us see if I can get this open without hurting myself one last time. Yes, I can. What is a number 24? The channel I watch, her name's Alexandra. She always says the last day of the calendar should be the best item. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. We got ourselves a bottle of cola, or not a bottle of cola. We got ourselves an icy. I was wrong. It's an icy. This is an icy. You get these at various convenience stores, and it is a golden icy. Look how cute this is. My favorite was Hush Puppy. Hush Puppy was the exact same thing, just a different name. It's a slush in a container. I could never drink it all. Oh my goodness. You know what? Number 24 was the best. So here we are with our 24 pieces for the 5 surprise mini brands advent calendar for 2022. I believe this is specific for this year. Believe it or not, was found at Family Dollar. 3 Goldens. Okay. I paused for a minute. You probably noticed because there were 4 gold ones. The Holy one was also gold one. I'm thinking those might be the exclusive ones because they're the 4 golden ones. I'm not 100% sure if like the different, if all the advent calendars have the same ones in them, or if all the advent calendars are also surprises. Thank you for coming to the video for this unboxing of the 5 surprise mini brands advent calendar that I got for my birthday last month. And I love to share it with you guys, and I really enjoyed going through them. This is my first advent calendar. I don't know if I'll ever get another one, or if there's going to be like, you know, on this channel. Hopefully, because I would really like to do it next year too, because this was fun. Other than that, I really, really hope that you have a great holiday season, whether or not you celebrate the ones at the end of this month or during this month, or if you celebrate ones next month or just the new year. No matter what, I hope the end of your year is great, because this made mine really great. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And if I don't have any more videos after this one, I will see you next year. But I should. So, bing.